Aktor, may lain pa?
Doon lang sa damang sir, while waiting sa cab.
Ay, yun yung kauban man mo.
Taga wild girl.
Roar, may roar.
Picture ka diya. Okay. Where's my two? Where's my bag? What?
You see? There, oh.
Hello!
What happened?
The red bomb!
Na, oh! Uy! Ulog!
Ay.
Ano ay?
Ah, yes, ito.
For your safety and comfort, please remain seated while the tram is in motion. Zebra! 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 Zebra!
Dear Lucas, oh!
Zebra!
Yes na na.
Can you see?
It's your deer!
So, yung sa zebra po, may buntis dyan. Yung
Oo nga, buntis nga yung isa.
It's from the Minecraft! It's a
three times much more nutritious than a cow's milk. Up there is the water bug. Water bug has a strong association with water using it to evade predators. Fun fact about male water bug.
May one sit there? Side?
Remember the stampede in the Lion King movie when Mufasa fell off the cliff? Blue wildebeest was part of it. So they're called blue wildebeest because of the blue shade. You have to look for the stampede. And also they're known as the Lion of Savannah because of their neutral dance. Look at their legs. That's smart. So, sumasaya sila ng That is their built-in sunscreen.
Wow. Sunscreen.